So today's topic is Henry law. So this law is basically about those solutions in which we have gas component as solute and it is dissolved in liquid. So I'm making a diagram here in which this is liquid phase, liquid component, and we have dissolved the gas. So now what we are calculating is that the amount of gas, if I'm assuming this shaded circle as solute particles, these are solute particles. So what we have learned that these solute particle and its concentration is directly related to the partial pressure of the liquid phase. So what I've written here that if these components create vapors, so these vapors, the vapor pressure by these solute molecules depends on the concentration which is present inside the solution. This is the basic concept of Henry's law, and for that we also write its vice versa as if we increases partial pressure, then solubility of gas in liquid phase also rises up. Means if we want to increase if we want to increase concentration of solute in liquid phase, then in this region have to increase the pressure. I will have to increase the pressure. We will have to increase pressure. So once again I'm repeating. So Henry's law is basically a quantitative relation between solubility of gas versus pressure which is present over the liquid. So mathematically I can write Henry's law like the mass of gas dissolved per unit volume, of the solvent is directly related to the pressure, and that pressure is present above the gas in equilibrium. So this is the very important statement, and all this equation is derived when we are taking temperature as constant. As we all know that solubility changes with the temperature. So this relation I can write it as the mass is of gas dissolved is related to pressure by a direct relationship. So when this direct relationship is removed, we get a constant, and K is proportionality constant. So this is basic, and the detailed as much possible which one should know. So Henry laws is basically about a quantitative relationship of solubility of gas in liquid, and how it is related with the pressure which is present above the liquid phase. This Henry's law can also be defined by another definition which I am reading here. It is it states that the mass of the mass of gas which will be representing by the term solubility. So we have also similar kind of definition as it states that the solubility of gas at constant temperature is directly proportional to the partial pressure of gas present above the surface of liquid solution. So I'm writing here, this is very important. So this is our topic of today, Henry's law. If you will have any doubt, then we will be solving all the related queries in next session. Thank you so much.